Good morning, everyone, and how are you all doing? Yes, today is Thursday. And yesterday we did the Rakhi activity. Do you remember that? Yes, and we will celebrate Rakhi on Sunday, this Sunday. Happy Raksha Bandhan to you all. Yes, and yesterday we also did some lines on myself. So, now we will again revise the lines on myself. So, the first line is good morning, my name is Ramnika. Okay, you will say your name. Good morning, my name is Ramnika. Line number 2. I study in DAV Public School, Sundarnagar in LKG class. I study in DAV Public School, Sundarnagar in LKG class. I have two teachers. I have two teachers. Santosh ma'am and Ramnika ma'am. Santosh ma'am and Ramnika ma'am. And the last line will be thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you and have a nice day. Okay. So let's again revise myself. Line number 1. Good morning. My name is. I study in DAV Public School in class LKG. In class LKG. Third, I have two teachers. I have two teachers, Santosh ma'am and Ramnika ma'am. And line number 4, thank you and have a nice day. Thank you and have a nice day. Okay, so these are the 4 lines of myself. You have to practice it regularly. Okay, very good. Now, what we are going to do today? Today we are going to introduce you to a very new lowercase letter. Very new, yes. The letter is K. The letter is K. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and now comes K. K. And its phonetic sound is also K. इसका भी phonetic sound K ही है. Later on जब आप बड़ी classes में जाएंगे तब आपको K और C में फर्क पता चलेगा. Okay, but the sound of K is K. Okay. So let's say A says A, B says B, C says K, D says D, E says E, F says F, G says G, H says H, I says E, J says J, and K says K, and K says K. So let's move ahead and meet the characters of K sound story. Oh my god, in the K sound stories there are very beautiful and very different characters. Okay, you will like to meet them all. There is a kangaroo, there is a king, and so on. Okay, so first of all let's meet with the characters of K sound story. Hooray! And then we will read the story from our yes Fun with English book. Yes, so you are ready? Watch it carefully and repeat and repeat. Each and every word you have to repeat after me, okay? So let's begin with the story. Yay! Hello dear all. Now let's start meeting with the characters of K sound story. Now this is your K. How to make it? First of all, vertical line down. Then from the middle, slanting line and slanting line down. Slanting line up, slanting line down, K. Once again, vertical line, then in the middle, slanting line up, and then slanting line down, K. And its phonetic sound is K. Very good. So let's meet with the characters. This is Kaka, kangaroo, Kaka, kangaroo. And the name of this kangaroo is Cuckoo. What is the name of this kangaroo? Cuckoo. Cuckoo, kangaroo, cuckoo, kangaroo, cuckoo, kangaroo, cuckoo, kangaroo, cuckoo, kangaroo, cuckoo, kangaroo. Now, what is this? This is kite, kite. Fly in the sky. We all love to fly a kite sometime. Yay! So this is kite. 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 This is key. Key. Lock and key. बोलते हैं ना lock and key. And this is a key. Key. Kitten. 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 Kitten is the baby of cat. The baby of cat is called kitten. The baby of cat is called kitten. Yes, the baby of cat is called kitten. 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 Very good. Kid. Kid. Kid मतलब बच्चा. बच्चे को हम किड बोलते हैं ना, छोटे बच्चे को हम किड बोलते हैं. ओके. किड. 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 किंग. किंग मतलब राजा. किंग. King. Very good. Now this is also a kid. He is also a kid. But look at his leg. He is kicking. Kicking. आप बॉल को किक करते ना? You kick the ball? Yes. In the same way he is kicking. Kicking. He is a kid. Kid. And he is kicking the ball. He is kicking the ball. Kid. Kicking. Kick मारते ना हम? Kick. Yes, that is kicking. उस action को बोलते हैं हम kicking action. What do we call that action? Kicking. Kid. Kicking. And this is cattle. This is cattle. This is kettle. Kettle is a thing in which we boil water for tea. Okay, kettle is a thing in which we boil water for tea. Okay, so this is kettle. This is kettle. You also have kettle at your home. You might also have kettles at your home. You have electrical kettles. Okay, there are electrical kettles also. So this is kettle. So let's revise this again. Cuckoo, kangaroo. Cuckoo, kangaroo. Kite. 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 Key. 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 Kitten. Kitten. Kitten is the baby of cat. Kitten. Kid. 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 King. King. Very good. He is also a kid. And what is he doing? He is kicking. Kicking. What is he doing? He is kicking. And this is a kettle. Kettle. Okay. So now what we are going to do? Now we are going to read the K sound story from our book. What we are going to do? We are going to read the K sound story from our book, that is Fun with English. So open page number 36 of your Fun with English book. Come on. Now dear students, this is your K sound story. This is your K sound story. Please tell your mama. Mama, please write date, CW and the day here. Date is 19 August 2021. C.W, this is your classwork, and the day is Thursday. The day is Thursday. Very good. Very good. Now what we are going to do, we are going to read this story, K sound story. K sound story from our book. Okay, I hope you will love it. Now the sound of K is K. The sound of K is K. Now let's again revise the characters. This is cuckoo kangaroo. This is cuckoo kangaroo. Cuckoo kangaroo. Cuckoo kangaroo. Kid. 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 Kitten. Kitten. Key. Key. Kite. Kite. This is also a kid. He is also a kid. And what he is doing? He is kick. Iste kick mara. He kick. With the legs, with the feet, he kick. He is kicking. He is kicking the ball. He is kicking the ball. King. King. kettle, kettle. Now, let's start with the story. Cuckoo Kangaroo was very fond of flying kites. कुकू कैंगरू को काइट फ्लाई करना बहुत अच्छा लगता था. कुकू कैंगरू वॉज वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ फ्लाइंग काइट्स. कुकू कैंगरू को काइट्स फ्लाई करना बहुत अच्छा लगता था. वन डे व्हाट डिड ही डिड? What does he do on that day? One day Cuckoo Kangaroo locked his house and came out to fly the kites. One day Cuckoo Kangaroo locked his house and came out to fly the kite. Okay. जैसे हम भी करते हैं ना, जब भी हम घर से बाहर जाते हैं तो हम अपने घर को लॉक लगाते हैं. ओके. इन द सेम वे ही लॉक्ड हिज हाउस एंड केम आउट टू फ्लाई द काइट्स. व्हाट डिड ही डिड? ही हैंग्ड हिज की. कैन यू सी दिस की? ही हैंग्ड हिज की ऑन द ब्रांच ऑफ अ ट्री. He hanged his key on the branch of a tree. उसने अपनी की को एक ब्रांच पे हैंग कर दिया. ट्री की ब्रांच पे देखो हैंग कर दिया. ओके. The baby kitten was also with him. Baby kitten was also with him. कौन था कुकू कैंगरू के साथ? Baby kitten was also with कुकू कैंगरू. Some children were playing near the palace. This is the palace of the king. Okay. Some children were playing near the palace. कुछ बच्चे राजमहल के पास खेल रहे थे. Kind king, जो दयावान, kind, दयावान. Okay. Kind. Kind and king. The kind king was having tea outside the palace. The kind king was having what? Tea. Yes, that too outside the palace. The kind king was having tea outside the palace. तो जो kind king थे वो क्या कर रहे थे? अपने पैलेस के बाहर क्या कर रहे थे? He was drinking tea. वो चाय पी रहे थे. Okay. A kid requested Cuckoo Kangaroo. Kid जब हम request करें तो क्या बोलते हैं? Please. वैसे ही the kid said, Please Cuckoo Kangaroo, can I fly your kite? क्या बोला? Please Cuckoo Kangaroo, can I fly your kite? And he requested Cuckoo Kangaroo to give him kite to fly. The other kid. This is the second kid, the other one kid. Okay. He was playing with the ball. Can you see a ball? Yes. The other kid was playing with the ball and he kicked the ball and he kicked the ball and it hit the kettle क्या किया उसने? The second kid, the other kid, he kicked the ball and it hit the kettle. उसने बॉल को किक किया और वो बॉल कहाँ जाके लगा? केटल पे and hit the kettle. The kid got scared and said sorry to the king and went away. The kid got scared. जैसे ही वो केटल पे उसका बॉल लगा उसको डर लग गया. He got scared and he said sorry to the king and went away. और उसने किंग को क्या कहा? Sorry and went away. Such a nice thing. जब भी आपसे गलती हो जाए you will always need to say sorry to other person. Okay. And he said sorry to the king. And he went away. So this was the K-Sound story. I hope you loved this story. There were new characters in this story like Cuckoo Kangaroo was there, Kitten was there, King was there, and there's a cattle, kite, key, kid. So many lovely characters are there. And I need you to read this story from your book like this with the help of the pointer finger. Okay? So do read this book and do revise this story. And the phonetic sound of K is K. And in the next video, we will learn how to write K in your notebooks. Okay, with a very fun activity of making kite with some triangles. Okay, so love you all.